So this is an overview of our last major assignment for the term. This will be similar to the essay exams that we've done so far, but with a multimedia twist. As we looked at Persepolis and considered the graphic novel format, and also with our work with the Black Arts Movement, where we were thinking or looking at some video readings of poetry, hopefully that got you thinking potentially about the ways in which literature and communication can extend beyond words on a page. So this assignment is very much in the spirit of that. It's asking you to do the same kind of theory-based analysis as the rest of the essay exams we've done so far, but it's also asking you to think about how to present that text in a more multi-format way, and it's also asking you to add some relevant media to make the analysis a little bit more multi-format. So the lens through which you'll be conducting these analyses will be postcolonial theory. So as you go through this assignment, you'll notice that the questions are very rooted in postcolonial theory and things that postcolonial theorists are concerned with. So let's talk a little bit about what will be involved in actually completing this assignment. So we are going to use a platform called Microsoft Sway to create this project, and I will go over that in detail in another video. We're going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. But in this video, I just want to explain what exactly is involved. So I'm going to ask you to include a title page and then a section for three different analysis questions. For each analysis question, I'm going to ask you to include a short essay response, 150 rather to 250 words, and a piece of relevant media. So it's not going to be text only. You're also going to be integrating some relevant media. And this could be a podcast episode. It could be a TED Talk. It could be a book review, a link to, the website of a prominent scholar in the field, a historical website. I could go on and on. Any type of media that is relevant to the response that you're giving, I think counts for this part of the assignment. So I'm also going to ask you to include a works cited page. This should include all the pieces of media that you use, and I will provide some resources for you on how to cite different types of media. You also are going to be required to cite the novel July's People, since that's going to be the focus of the analysis, and any external sources that you're using. You might notice that some of the questions suggest using some of the resources we've crowdsourced in class to kind of help inform your responses. If you're using any of those, just be sure to include them in the works cited as well. And that is a summary of what's required for the assignment. The grading criteria are also included below. Fairly simple, but I strongly recommend taking a peek at this before you start getting deep into the assignment, so that you can so that you know that you're checking all the boxes as you're working on it. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what will be required of the assignment, and in our next video we will cover a step-by-step tutorial of how to create this type of assignment in Microsoft Sway.